Welcome everyone. Three concepts we'll be discussing today in taxation. Double taxation avoidance agreement, the first one, then transfer pricing and arm's length principle. Now, double taxation avoidance agreement as such is not mentioned in the Income Tax Act 1961. The nomenclature is different there. There it is mentioned as double taxation relief. Now the concept goes like the government can sign an agreement with any country where it doesn't want the citizens of either countries to be paying taxes twice. So if the country has a double taxation agreement, avoidance agreement with another country, the person or the enterprise would not be required to pay tax twice. If they've already paid tax twice, they'll get relief of it in either of the jurisdiction where the person wants it. Now, this is also mentioned in section 90 of the Income Tax Act 1961. Now we'll move to another section, section 90, capital A. Now it talks about certain specified enterprises or certain specified associations that can also sign such a kind of an agreement, which the government might have signed with some other country, and these associations that those have signed such an agreement would get the same benefit of double taxation avoidance agreement. Now, important concept also is that these agreements, both the double taxation avoidance agreement, the agreement signed between the specified associations, that needs to be notified in the official gazette of the central government, the government of India. We'll come to the next section now, section 91. It's again a very important section. Section 91 says what happens if you don't have a double taxation avoidance agreement, or the other one, the agreement between specified associations. In that case also, the enterprise, the person would not be asked to pay tax twice. What happens is the person can choose either of the jurisdiction where he or she wants to pay tax. If the taxes are equal, let's suppose if the taxes are equal between the country and India, in that case tax needs to be paid in India. Now that's something that should favor India. So taxes should be paid in India. I'll come to the next concept now, transfer pricing. Very important concept, and arm's length principle. Both are discussed in section 92 of the Income Tax Act. Transfer pricing is, I'll give you an example to make you understand. Now what happens is, now there are various enterprises who are having subsidiaries all over the world. So what they generally do is, this is to avoid taxes of course, they'll sell an article to a subsidiary at a very high price in countries that are charging higher rate of tax. So what happens is the subsidiary pays the higher price, thereby the profit margin of the subsidiary goes down and they end up paying lower prices. This was happening all over the world until this concept was put in. Now, this transfer pricing needs to be curtailed through a method of arm's length principle or arm's length price. Now, this is the right price of an article that a seller should get, or at least the seller should show on his books. Section 92C of the Income Tax Act talks about the factors that needs to be considered when arm's length price is to be derived. I'll quickly go through some of the factors that are there in section 92C. Now the first one is comparable controlled price method. The next is resale price method. And the next one is cost plus method. There are some other methods also. They are overlapping to a certain extent. I'll quickly tell what the concepts say. The first one says that prices in an economy should be uncontrolled, and when a person is selling his article to the other one, the prices should definitely go upwards a little. The next one is resale price method, which says when you're reselling certain article, it obviously has to add a certain price to it. The next one is cost plus method, which says the selling price should always be upwards or more than the cost price. That's how the normal businesses are done. So these are certain factors that needs to be considered. You do this, you get the right arm's length price. You get the right arm's length price. In that case, transfer pricing would be avoided. And when transfer pricing would be avoided, the exchequer would get the right kind of tax. Very important and interesting concepts. Thanks for watching, everyone.